Okay, now while I've got the headliner removed, I'm going to run some wires from where our power center is going to be. Our 110 to 12 volt power center, RV type power center, is going to be installed more or less behind the passenger seat on the driver's side in this area. So I went ahead and fished a 14 gauge solid copper wire down from the headliner area where the chase is for the other wires. And I'm going to run just a host of 16 gauge, 18 gauge maybe wires for the 12 volt power center. I'm going to go ahead and run the 12 gauge wire that's going to go to the air conditioner and maybe some other wires. But at least I want to get all this at least ran while I've got the headliner out. And we'll keep moving on. Keep moving on. Okay, here I've fished some 12 volt wire. This is 16 gauge, different colored wire I'm going to use for different things on the other side of the van. So the power center is going to go in this area. So I fish it up through between the window channels and across over the ceiling while the headliner's out. And right now just have it dropping down to the other side. This is where the upper cabinet's going to go. I'll use this for lighting, for the stove fan. What else? For the cooktop, for the ignition, for the cooktop, and some other things. So at any rate, on this side I've went ahead and installed one 110 volt junction box so I can run up my wires from down below from the power center to that area. And progress. Oh yeah, got this one little aqua green 16 gauge wire that's tapped off here is going to go to the 12 volt Maxxair fan that's going to be installed up there. That's my green wire coming over for the 12 volt ceiling Maxxair fan that is going to go in that spot. I've got it laid out. I'm going to drill the corners, mark it from above, and cut it out. Okay, we got the 14-inch hole cut out for the Maxxair fan. I just used a 4-inch cutoff wheel to get that cut out. Touched up the raw metal around it with a little primer and paint. Okay, I got the Max fan installed. I've got it deposited going to the dark green wire that's going to go to my power center down there. The white is just grounded on the beam. Right now I've just got it hooked up to a temporary 12 volt transformer right now, just to kind of cool it in here while I'm working. The air conditioner came today, so I'm going to start the installation of that process.